Hey there, machas. You want to get defenders trying to reach in and then you school them. You got to learn this fake behind the back move. It's very useful if you love to use the behind the back like me. So, you hit the defender with the behind the back a few times. Next, they'll know it's coming, so they're gonna wait and try to steal the ball as you do your behind the back. This is when you hit them with the fake behind the back, leaving them standing there and wondering what happened. So now let's get into how this move works. The motion is a little tough, so you'll need to practice it a little bit. Think about it like combining the shamgod and the crossover into one dribble. So it's going to be like this.
At first, you can go slow, carry the ball through the motion, and once you get a hang of it,
Work on doing it quickly and without carrying.
okay, got that? Now let's do it at the back.
Now you've got the motion. But you also got to make this fake look like you're actually doing your behind the back. So for that, you'd want to look and move your feet.
Because otherwise, no defender is going to move out of your way. Not only that, you're putting the ball right in front of them, so they'll easily steal it.
Now depending on where your defender is, you have to adjust your angle. If they jump this way to cut you off, you want to do a proper behind the back and come back this way.
Like Ja Morant in this very blurry clip.
Sideways. But if they're trying to reach in and strip the ball there, so you want it quick and you want it going forward. Now doing it forward like this might be a little tough. You can go between your legs.
This is the variation that I use most of the time.
Some people also like doing it with an inside out but behind. This is way more harder to do without carrying.
Which is why I usually do this.
So now the real question, is this legal? 100% legal. People like Kyrie, Ja Morant and more have done it in the NBA and it hasn't been called anything. So just make sure you don't carry like we talked about.
Some street ballers would carry and cuff the ball to sell the fake hard. But you don't need to do that, Just be quick about it, make sure your hand doesn't go under the ball, and it won't be a carry.
So go practice. Then go get some people reaching. You want to learn more street ball moves? Comment what you want me to break down next. Until then, check this out to see other street ball move breakdowns.